রোজ দানবের রাক্ষসের প্রতি রোজ রাক্ষস দানবের প্রতি চালাকি করে নিজেদের হত্যা হিংসা দাবি মহৎ বলে দাবি করে মোদী নামক গোয়ার অসৎ অসজ্জন দুর্জন দুষ্ট রাক্ষস তার মন্ত্রী পরিষদ স্বভাবতই নির্দোষ হতে পারে না। যারাই আমার সমস্ত ইমেল অবজ্ঞা করেছে এবং যাদের নির্বাচন এবং ভারতীয় অন্যদের যারা ক্রিমিনাল, যারা এই অসংবিধান সংবিধান বলে চালনা করছে, যে সমস্ত দুর্বৃত্ত অবজ্ঞা চলে, আমি এত ফোন করছি, ফোন তুলে না, অবজ্ঞা করে বিপর্যয়ের মুখে নিজের জীবন যদি সে চুদির বাচ্চা ভেবে থাকে, সেও আক্রান্ত হবেনি বা সে হচ্ছে। 1947 সালের পর থেকে দেশ বিভাগ, তার আগে থেকে সমস্ত পলিটিক্স যারা মাটির নিচে থেকে মন বিভ্রান্ত করে বা অন্য যেরকম সহজ উপায়, এই সমস্ত ব্যাপারগুলি তখন যুদ্ধ বিগ্রহ 1940-30 সালের পর থেকে যারা ব্রিটিশ গভর্নমেন্টকে প্র্যাকটিক্যালি যে ভারত সেনা হয়ে কমরেডরা বিদ্রোহ করেছিল, তারা কিন্তু ভারতীয় স্বাধীনতার সঙ্গে ভারতের মূল্যবান দার্শনিক জীবন যাপন পালন করার জন্য নয়। নররাক্ষস রাবণী কংস অনুসারে দর্পদণ্ড এবং তার চেয়েও নোংরা ভয়ঙ্কর কেবল হত্যা করে বাহাদুরি করা, শেখসার হত্যা ভোজন করে বাহাদুরি করা, সে বাহাদুরিকে চেপে যাওয়া, জিজ্ঞাসা করলে অন্যভাবে উত্তর দেওয়া, যে ভয়ঙ্কর ভাবে সিডিএস বিপিন রাওয়াতকে কিলিং করার পর কেলাররা যেভাবে নাচকুদ করেছে এবং আমার উপরে ভগবানের এজেন্টের উপরে দাপট করেছে, আজ তৃতীয় দিন পর্যন্ত যে ভারী মেশিন পত্র সারা বিশ্ব, সারা দূর দূর প্রান্ত, পৃথিবীর সবচেয়ে দূরতম প্রান্ত, যাদিকে এই সমস্ত স্ন্যাচিং পাওয়ারকে সহন করতে হবে, তাদের যে কি লাইফ স্ন্যাচিং এর যে কি ভয়ঙ্করতা, যে সমস্ত ইন্ডিজিনিয়াস মানুষগুলি এই সমস্ত অসভ্য বর্বরদের থেকে দূরে চলে যাওয়ার চেষ্টা করছে, তাদের সমস্তগুলোকে বিলুপ্তি করানো হয়ে গেছে। এরা আবার ইন্ডিয়ান থেকে রেড ইন্ডিয়ান, সারা পলিনেশিয়া, কঙ্গো, মালয়েশিয়া, ইন্দোনেশিয়া, মালাক্কা, জিব্বা, রাশিয়া, সমস্ত আজারবাইজান, যেখানে যেখানে ইন্ডিজিনিয়াস কিছু কিছু লোক রয়ে গিয়েছিল, তাদের সমস্ত বিনষ্ট করে ফেলল। বর্বরচিত হত্যা আর ডিএক্স প্লান্টিং, যত আমরা উগ্রপন্থী মুসলমানদেরকে দোষ দিয়েছি, তারা এদের মুসলমানকে খেপিয়েছে এবং নিজেরাই আরডিএক্স মুসলমান সেজে মুসলমান নাম নিয়ে করেছে। সেই হিন্দু লেফটিস্ট কমিউনিস্টরা, টিএনবি, দার্জিলিং গোর্খা, আসামের অহমিয়া দল, কাশ্মীর উগ্রপন্থী, নেপাল, শ্রীলঙ্কায় এলটিটি, এরা their background, the whole type of RDX, all that explosion gone, school college shooting, the religious anti-Semitic activities, European murder, MPs, which has not been possible by them instantly to kill, because Indian political leaders be killed instantly because they are remain just underneath and all as practically made captive with their system. So then Bipin Chand Rawat, what he is inner message and what is fairness about underneath this fact, he aware. He discussed about her wife and how this Indian government is proposed that Ajay Kumar, Ajit Doval, Rajnath Singh, next other Home Secretary, others people who knowing these things of this killing barbar remain government silently, who do the ambassadors mainly, Barbars, all are the Mexican, Australian, European, London, but mainly USA, Florida, Washington, New York, Pennsylvania, California, they are very much aware. Those people, the government, they are running government by parallel. What I am using as I am common ordinary man whose words should not be consulted, as you feel, as your arrogance, as a simple idiot criminal who can see the art penetrating and who knows the whole sciences, that pathology development, bioengineering, chemical carcinogens production pathology, I mean what is wave is cancer and what is that mass murder techniques. Apart, I am not very much aware of that missiles, etc. That inner technology immediately, but I, as a physics student, I was very much aware of these facts and that killing power. If you like lawyer, simply goblet, criminal, khankir bacha, is so prudent, dambho, dabbo. So, what I have declared as a humanity savior about this LTT, who have taken seriously so many people's lives, and Tuticorin, that Chotarajan group, Dawood and that communist, who is that his mentor, that Hindi film Lava. That's I am the question yesterday I was unable to that Indians, no political leader should not show condolence to mislead that his family member, and there is one people in his Bipin Rawat village surrounding that criminal who has supported this crime, because there is that Kongso Krishna ka bangsho ka hi hai the. So in this way it cannot be separated who are who not. So it is very tricky, and whose mentality Bhagavan Buddha ke Devdatta was the cruelest in his time when thousands he maligned his Sangha by Tantra, witchcraft that seeks barbarism to snatch people's life, mind, etc. On that time, his son could perform that beheading. That is the starting of the beheading. Beheading is originally related with Buddha movie, Indian, Raj, Manu, etc. Because these people's barbarata, who has not eye, but who is the supporter and who is their associate, if they do argument, which is the fact, which are the facts, which are the crimes, And how many science and technologies specialists, Barbar, stealing the science and technology, kidnapping the Nobel laureates and misusing Nobel laureates like hire top scientists, manufacturer, the technology science, in which barbaric facts suppressing, drama doing, dharmic nobility disguising. It is a horrible setup that if it is put in the sea, we keep in under sea, India like spiritual land, that will do what horrible disaster, devastating force will be to earthquake. An earthquake means life snatching of all animals, birds, humans, horrible manner. At the remote, nobody will be fly, no, their soul can fly, where mind can flow, respiration cannot be made. That what barbar activity without hesitation. These are barbar acts until do drama to keep the suppress the facts. And if you immediate idiots as a remain scientist and is a politician, I have when made as the Ram and Indian Shastra based what you call Sangvidhan constitution. It is Abhidhanic, it is Asangvidhanic or Vaidhanic. So when I have declared how her wife and he was told to visit his village to study his path, that early life. So his whole total body will be captured with the system, and all the peoples who are to remain his kitchener, etc., helpers for few years, for 3, 4, 5 years, 6 years, kept in the planted in their system. That unit is horribly mobile condition, up and down of their column of water, that is with more of time or 100 or 200 kilometer moving here and there can manage his movement, even international, with that horrible systems, who does not know yoga and the tantra, that is that body attracting power by the vagina, etc., the mind, spirit, but remaining on such the deadliest metallic setup, the huge, which can tilt Himalaya instantly, or that rocky Andes where they are earthquaking every day for 1 hour, half an hour, 10, 15 minutes interval, last 5, 6 hours, the years is so horrible and drastic that driving. And so many IT engineers, when you are started the Ronald Private Institute, Orissa, Beharampur, etc., how many thousand private, top educated, top education, short circuit, manner, degree managers, this huge number have been hijacked and practically kidnapped without their home communication snatched. When all world international cyber at whose hands to manipulate that old world softwares, web page, machine, engines, operator, manufacturer, sets all network files instantly. Those are numbers of hubs are there. The peoples are working. They does not know as if they are doing freedom fighter against the white people and Indians, Aryans. उच्च वर्ग के साथ लड़ाई कर रहे हैं बर्बर राक्षस डेमन ओशो. So my this anguish on the third day, killers, conspirator, helper, assister, incompetent remain in government, who is conspirated, killing of General CDS. General CDS is top important in India as a military. Now you Modi or Chudu Pradhan or any other officer, Ajay Kumar, you just cannot tolerate your ahankar knowledge of my kick is my kick and how bodies are underneath tilting me, my body to show this kick. Your knowledge and the rest, they are the officers, military expertise, and the criminal to dog. Not taking my suggestion and serious notes, लोग जिसमें खड़ा हो जाना चाहिए, जिसका मौत अटल बिहारी आदि नरसिम्हा राव, श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, दीनदयाल उपाध्याय, जगजीवन राम, इंदिरा गांधी, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, नेहरू, महात्मा गांधी को भी उसी ट्रैपिंग से उनका दोष था। जब तक वार्निंग हो रहा था किसी भी बच्चा को खपा देना। आज में हजारों बच्चा सुसाइड कर रहा है, हजारों बच्चा मिट्टी के प्रभाव से, धार्मिक प्रभाव से उग्रपंथा इस्लाम में कर रहा है। केवल इस्लाम क्यों, टीएमबी नहीं है, राजवंशी उत्तर बंग में नहीं है, त्रिपुरा में नहीं था, एक सिटी नहीं था हिंदू लोग, दमाइश में हिंदू लोग नहीं है। So the peoples had been masterized from underneath by the Magis, Khachos, from the remaining water, systematic field misuser. So those who have got like power about his decision and knowing the devastation, and earthquake is the symbol of that devastation. You idiot, carbon blamer. You are the host culprit, knowing all that causing as a man-made climate change. You are confident that Medula Chakraborty's sons and he is her representative, and that UN General Secretary, his subordinates and his staff, UN climate change. Boris, you also, because you have allowed, you have worshipped, you have recognized, you have given legal seal of these crime doings along with Joe Biden, Kerry, etc., Modi. And that's তুই এত তাড়াতাড়ি করিস না, আমি উঠতে আসছি। তুই কর, তুই বাইরে কাজগুলো কর। कल বাইরে बाल चेंज कर दिया, कौन किया? So my maid servant has come. I am alone, but yesterday night I take help, although it's not required for Durjan. The Dusto, as if they are talking, there will be airstrike on my hermitage. That is sufficient. What abnormality Earth and particularly India's credibility of Narendra Modi is about Corona, that bogus theories and management claim, all the doing conspiracy, sabotage, gaddari, विद्रोह, राजद्रोही, राज के नाम में राजद्रोही कर रहा हो, धर्म के नाम में धर्मद्रोह कर रहा हो, देवता के नाम लेके संविधान करके देवद्रोह कर रहा हो, असुर सोरे बच्चा क्रिमिनल. So this video, it is to ultimatum anyone if have uttered about who are blaming it is a conspiracy of Rawat killer. Sir, there is any ship you cannot know, or other people barbarism, or the explanting, or people sending in the quarrel, bringing, asking of China. China is also devastated to show their mighty from underneath. How many people being killed, innocent, ordinary praja, earthquake, life snatching, devastation of the climate, that man-made, machine-made, it is not a carbon dioxide. The killing all heart attack, premature death, since last 80 years, more than 80 years, 90 years probably. It is 1930. It started. It's 20, almost 90. This 90 years period, and it Barbar, who remained 120, 25, 26 or 30 years surviving, that criminal who has planted this setup and who brought the German scientist as against this British to defeat them. He was insulted by the British. But that was not mean that he is the honest freedom fighter, just like Gandhi or Nehru, what you feel, or other great sons. As if they are also not great, but they are stupid. They are arrogant. But this is the barbarism. That savage, cruel, that demons, abhors, that killing pleasure taken. That leftist, inborn, deceptive. The leftist, when I term is leftist, is horrible terms of all the post-70s, 80s, 90s, 2000, 2010, until West Bengal government was dropped. That was that horrible story.